Cheers. Hello and welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the most delicious, crispy chicken, high protein, low calorie version you have ever seen on YouTube. Let's get to work. Like always, I'm going to leave the entire recipe in the description box down below. This crispy chicken gives you all the pleasure of sinful food, but in a healthy way. So let's dig in. The first ingredient you need is a chicken breast. Second, you're gonna need cornflakes without any sugar, just plain ones. And then you can add that. This is optional and will increase the calories, but makes it really delicious. They are nachos, either with or without cheese. Necessary is also yogurt, low-fat one. Then we have paprika powder, garlic powder, onion powder, bone broth powder, and white pepper. That's it, guys. Let's get to work. This step right here, the first step, you can also do as a staple, like days before, week before, freeze it, do it once a week, twice a week. Just put all your yogurt in one big bowl and then add all your seasonings into it and mix it well. The bone broth powder or the vegetable broth powder, whatever you like, is here the little secret ingredient that Mom and I figured out. It just makes everything super delicious and thick. You have like a certain umami taste here. I really like it. Try it out. Let me know what you think. Mix everything well and then just add your clean chicken breast pieces into this mixture. Make sure everything is covered and then put it in the fridge at least for 1 hour. But you can also, like I said, portion size it, put it into the freezer, and then use it whenever you like. But for now, 1 hour minimum. You can also let it stay overnight in the fridge. This way, your chicken will become super tender and full of flavor. Trust me, you will love it. Now this step here you can also do as bulk. You don't need it to make it specifically for one recipe. Just add your cornflakes or even also your nachos. I love the ones with the cheese flavor, but I just do it when I want to have like a clean sheet. Put it into the machine, mix it nicely till it looks like this, and done. And if you're ready and you want to take out your chicken, make sure 10 minutes before you preheat your oven on 200, take everything out of the fridge, pour your cornflakes into a big plate like this, and then just marinate everything nicely. Make sure everything is covered with the crumbles like shown. And that's it, guys. Like, everybody can do that. You don't even need a proper kitchen for this. You can also put them into the air fryer. I tried that also out, but I will make a video for you if you want. And then it looks like this. You don't even need to spray any fat on them. It will just be fine like this. And you can make delicious salads, wraps, sandwiches. Just eat it like this. Tacos. I mean, seriously, just hear the sound. It's super crunchy. And you can make my low-calorie Big Mac sauce as a dip. You will love it. Try it out. I will leave the link down below in the description box so that you can try it out and enjoy. Guys, eating healthy and balanced can be super delicious. And this chicken crispy fingers, they have per portion like about 200 grams for one portion, 55 grams of protein, 35 grams of carb, and just 5 grams of fat. I mean, seriously, who can beat that? It's just perfect, and it will satisfy you and make you full for a long time. Plus, you have very, very high protein content, which you really need in order to live a healthy and happy life. I, of course, love my sriracha or any other chili sauce that you like. You can pick Try it out, enjoy, and share, guys.
Guys,
Share.
thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Do not forget to hit the like button, to hit the subscribe button, and to come back next week on Friday, maybe Saturday, or even Sunday, maybe all of them, because I'm gonna upload another amazing recipe video. Stay tuned. Isn't it wonderful that we all have more than enough to eat every day on our plates? Yes, it is. But unfortunately, this is not the truth for many kids on this planet. For less than 70 cents a day, you can share a meal with Share a Meal. Actually, 3 meals with 1 child. So let's make a difference. I'm gonna leave a link down below. You can follow it. It's so easy to share a meal. I'm so grateful that you helped me to make a difference. Thank you.